In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create trap music inside of Suno AI. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Suno AI like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go over to Create over here and go up to Simple and click down on the prompt right here. And here you can write in your prompts. And if you don't already have a couple prompts, I have a link down in the description where I'll teach you everything there is to know about creating your own prompts for any genre out there. So let's create some trap music, shall we? So let's make rap music. Now of course we need to put in trap. We need to have a hype track music, some 808 bass, drums. We need some synthesizers. It needs to be 4x4. It needs to be around 140 beats per minute. And then from here you can click either instrumental or with lyrics. But for this tutorial I'm just going to choose instrumental and click create. And then Suno AI will create 2 examples of trap music for you to listen to or download. We can take a listen to how it sounds like when they are done. And now for the next one. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!